Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Diksha from Lifecare Dental Clinic. Let's talk about something a lot of people deal with but might not even know. That is teeth grinding or bruxism. Teeth grinding usually happens when we are stressed or even while we are asleep, which can cause headaches, jaw pain, worn down teeth, and even sleep issues. Some of the big causes are stress, anxiety, and even sleep disorders. But the good thing is there are many ways to prevent your smile. One tip is wearing custom-made night guard. This small device can prevent the grinding damage overnight. Or you can try some stress-relieving activities like meditation or deep breathing before bed. And of course, if you think you are grinding your teeth, you can consult us and we will help you with the best solution. So, protect your smile and let keep those smile healthy and pain-free. See you next time.